This is a gaming NUC. So
That's right.
So let's spend some time on this one.
Absolutely. So you may be familiar, for people who've been following Talking Tech, we used to have the NUC Enthusiast line, which as we came into Asus, obviously we adopted the ROG product line because that is the gaming brand to follow. So this is our first ROG NUC. It's using Meteor Lake as well. So we're taking advantage of the latest from Intel, but also pushing in NVIDIA's 4060 and 4070 graphics. In 2.5 liters, we're delivering almost every performance aspect you can think of. 3 NVMe slots. You could do 24 terabytes of storage if you really want it. I don't know how many games that is, but you can get a lot of them. It still has Thunderbolt. It still has all of the things the creators would want in that form factor. And it'll play any AAA game that you would like.